In this video, I'm going to show you 5 unique Fiverr gigs that you can start today. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where we find the best ways to make online income. And without further ado, let's get to these Fiverr gigs. Alright, starting off at number 5, and first up on our list we have YouTube intro/outros. A lot of people on YouTube want a strong intro and outro to spice up the beginning and end of their videos. This is where you come in. People pay decent prices for their YouTube intro/outros, and I'm going to show you a website where you can easily make eye-catching and stunning intro/outros. And that website is Panzoid.com. Panzoid is a free website that allows you to create intro/outros that's already created for you. As you can see, there are some amazing designs, all of which you can use for free to start. Just pick a template you like, change the text to whatever your client wants, and do the same with the colors, and boom, you have a professional looking YouTube intro/outro ready for your customer. And to make this more appealing as a gig, you can do 5 to 10 more intro/outros including your package, so you know they can buy more of your gigs. And on to number 4 on our list, we have finding Instagram influencers. A lot of businesses, big and small, have ditched traditional advertising like commercial and billboards because the average person spends 5.4 hours on their mobile devices daily. That's a lot of time. So reaching out to an influencer with 1, 2, or maybe even 5 million followers is way more convenient, less time consuming, and way more effective than, you know, just regular commercials that nobody watch anymore because no one watches TV anymore. Roku, Fire Stick. And the way you would do this is pretty simple. Let's say somebody that's in the dog industry trying to sell products for dog lovers buys your gig. All you have to do is go to Instagram, find influencers that's around dogs and in the dog niche. And all you would have to do, you wouldn't even have to talk to the influencers. All you have to do is just write down their account names, say about 10 to 20 of them, and then give them to the business so they can do all the negotiating and everything. All you're doing is finding the influencers, and that's what makes it so easy. And pro tip, to stand out from other gigs that's doing the same thing you're doing, try to create a list of tips that they can have once they have purchased your services and receive afterwards. It could be anything like, before you purchase their services, ask for their stats or just ask for some of their previous work, stuff like that. Make a list of about 5 to 10 of them, and boom, you just upgraded your gig past a lot of other gigs that's providing the same service as you are. Alright, next is gig number 3, which is data entry. Data entry is simply entering data into a chart or a graph for a business or someone who doesn't have the time to do it themselves. They'll send you over the information they need saved, and you can use Google Sheets to achieve this. I'm pretty sure most of us have been using Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Sheets and similar applications at school since we were kids. Or even if you haven't, Google Sheets is really simple to use. You can change color of boxes and add text, and for data entry, that's pretty much all you have to do. Simple, right? Most of the time when people buy your services, all they really want is you to keep, track of what they're spending or their time management or anything like that. It's just simple stuff that you just can put in a chart and graph. Easy. Wow, we're already on gig number 2 on our list, and that is adding subtitles. When we're in a noisy area, in a library, or just unable to use sound, having subtitles in a video definitely comes in handy. It's pretty simple to add subtitles to videos. And here's the secret. You already know what application it is. I'll give you 3 seconds to guess what application that is. If you guessed YouTube, you were right. When you upload a YouTube video, which you can upload privately, you receive the option to add subtitles. So once you do this, you can download the newly formed video that has subtitles, and then just send it over to your customer, and boom, you just finished the gig. That simple. Before we get to gig number 1, is the next one up. I want to mention as a little bonus, it's not exactly a Fiverr gig, but it's something pretty cool that I really wanted to mention. Because say you didn't want to make any gigs, say you didn't want to do any of it, there's another way that you can make money with Fiverr, allowing you not to create any gigs. And that is Fiverr Affiliate Program. Fiverr Affiliate Program is just basically promoting other people's gigs. And once you promote other people's gigs and they buy through your link, you get paid for that. All you have to do is just go to Fiverr affiliate program, sign up for it, get the link to whatever gig you want to, copy the link and put it wherever you want to, your Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, any application you want it to, or just simply send it to somebody. And we finally have made it to #1. And the last one that is not least is creating Zoom backgrounds. In 2020, due to COVID, we've seen an increase with a lot of virtual meetings, and Zoom was one of the biggest. Teachers use Zoom to hold classes. Businesses use Zoom for important meetings. And you know, I'm pretty sure even your grandma was using it. So with Zoom increasing popularity, having a professional looking background for a meeting or whatever you were doing became increasingly more important. And with most people holding Zoom meetings from their home, I'm pretty sure your boss doesn't want to see your pile of dirty underwear and dirty socks everywhere. And if you're thinking changing your whole Zoom background, that sounds complicated. It's not. Let me show you a free website we're going to use to create amazing Zoom backgrounds. And that website is canva.com. The first step in doing this process is going to canva.com and creating a free account. After you create your account, all you want to do is go to the search icon and type in Zoom background. Once you achieve this, pick an already made template and design it to your customer's liking. And after that, just make sure you use the right colors and ask for specific details about how they want their gig. It's not going to be hard once you get the specific information to create something they like. And once you do all of that, just deliver your finished work and boom, you just finished another gig. And I also wanted to mention, let's say all 5 of them you liked. Convenient, because on Fiverr you can add up to 7 gigs at one time, so you'll be able to have all 5 active gigs all at once. And that right there is 5 unique Fiverr gigs that you can start today. In the comments below, tell me which one was your favorite, and I hope you made it to the end of the video because you found great value out of it. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe for me, because if you're interested in making money online, then that's all we do at Online Muscle Hustle. And anybody can submit a request for you to do any of the gigs that I previously mentioned in this video. All you have to do is just go to Fiverr.com and sign up for all of those gigs with the correct information, and they're going to be up and running for you to make money with. And on that note, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time.